Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Libra. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And yes, Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, the cards I have on the table right now are the Emperor, Two of Cups, Five of Swords, Page of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and the Eight of Swords. The only upright card on the table right now, Libra, for you is the Eight of Swords. And this is one card I would have liked to see in reverse, which means end of overthinking, end of being in your head. But this is the only one which is upright, which means somebody is still kind of really up in their head regarding some kind of stagnancy that's come into a beautiful partnership, a soulmate connection which is now in reverse. Okay, so if I'll clarify these cards later, don't worry about it, but yes, somebody is feeling that a lot of imbalance has come into this connection. So I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Libra, for you. See what my angels have to say, and if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here, Libra. All right, good to go. So Libra, the first card I have here for you says, I eventually had to let go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, and physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you and the guilt of wondering if I had walked away too soon. So somebody let go of their partner, of this beautiful Two of Cups connection. Maybe they were trying to be controlling here, or maybe they felt they weren't emperor enough for their empress. And now they're worried, did I kind of release this connection too soon? Did I make that decision too soon? Did I drop it too soon? I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. I realize I can't run from you because you are deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates. Yeah, somebody has awakened here. They've realized here now that the eternally connected, we are soulmates, and somebody feels they've damaged this connection now. And now they're saying, I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Once again, knowing that, you guys are connected maybe on a very spiritual level as well. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. So maybe this could be a relationship which has been going on and off for many, many years, and that's how this person knows, what their partner looked like maybe 5 years ago or 10 years ago, and saying, hey, you just keep getting better and better. You're the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you, and we are one. I love you. Let's talk and clear the air. There is no one in the world as amazing as you. I'm working through issues with my family. Alright, so Libra, this is kind of going with your life story. Let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card, see how my angels can help in this situation with the blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, blessings of abundance, Libra. So, Libra, abundance doesn't always only mean money, right? Abundance is abundance of everything: health, wealth, happiness, love. So that's what my angels wish for you. I'm going to put this beautiful card here, and let's start clarifying your cards. So Emperor in reverse, Spirit, and the Two of Cups in reverse. Emperor in reverse and the Two of Cups. Somebody is feeling very restless. Somebody is feeling very restless. I think they've been waiting for a message which they haven't received. Or maybe they need to send a message which they are restless about sending. They feel they don't have the power to do it. They are feeling powerless right now, feeling restless, and because they are not being able to maybe communicate with their partner. They feel their partner's already released them. They feel somebody's released this connection, which could have at one point been beautiful, could have been that perfect love of their life, but they're fearing it's in jeopardy right now, and they fear that they've been released, or this connection's been released, and they feel that whatever mind games were played here, they ended up being the loser themselves in case they played those bad games. Yes, somebody is very, very stressed out, Libra. This could be you, could be your cross watcher, I don't know. So why is this person this stressed out, Spirit? Why is this person this stressed out? Because they feel they've been released, or they've lost a soulmate connection. Yes, somebody is very, very, very unhappy here. They feel none of their wishes will ever come true now. They feel that whatever fight or games that were played, they feel that I have lost my power now, and I've lost. I mean, I'm the loser here. Five of Swords in reverse. Or maybe they want to end fighting. I don't know. Five of Swords in reverse. Somebody is feeling deeply unloved. So they are feeling like a loser. Yes, this person feels, I think they have a lot of love, and right now they're not receiving anything from the other end. There is a Page of Wands in reverse, which means no interaction, soulmate connection gone wrong. So maybe they've been trying to emotionally manipulate their partner in the past, maybe playing mind games in the past, but right now this person feels a lack of love, because now all movement has shut down between the two of you. So Page of Cups, Spirit, Page of Cups, Page of Cups in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse. Somebody wants a reunion, but they don't know what to say. They don't know. Oh my God, so much stress, Libra. What's going on? Eight of Swords, Eight of Swords, and then I had the Nine of Swords. This is somebody who's very stressed out. I don't know how else to say it than show you these pictures here. Look at all these swords in their head. Maybe they're worried that even if they apologize now, it will not be accepted. They feel this relationship has totally come to a halt here, and it's been dropped. There is no chance now. Page of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, they feel somebody feels maybe they didn't offer commitment. Maybe they were being very immature at one point, or there was a lot of gossip around this connection. Something happened, or maybe they're worried if they do come towards this person now with an apology, people will start gossiping. I don't know. This is so confusing. I'm feeling that anxiety inside me, which I think, Libra, you're feeling or your partner is feeling right now. It's like this person, I can hear them say, I don't know what to do. And that's exactly what I'm saying here. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, somebody is stuck now. They don't know what move to make. Somebody is very, very depressed here. So almost like going under now. They are standing at crossroads because they fear there is no chance of reconciliation here, because things have totally come to a stagnant halt here. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Again, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Again, stagnancy. They feel their partner doesn't want to have anything to do with them. This connection has come to a halt now, and maybe somebody was juggling here, I don't know, but they feel somebody has dropped, fighting for this connection now. Six of Swords in reverse. Six of Swords in reverse. Somebody is trying to manifest a return, it seems. Even though I think they don't have too much optimism left, because things have really taken a wrong turn here, total wrong direction. They are trying to manifest the end of a fight. They're trying to manifest some kind of a balance to come back into this connection after things went very, very wrong because of this. Because somebody played mind games, somebody was trying to be my way or the highway. Something happened here and the sun went down in this connection here. Somebody is trying to manifest some healing, or somebody to drop their guard or fight. Four of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Four of Pentacles in reverse. This is too confusing. One second, I'm going to do this one again. This is an important card because the Tower came out. What's this Four of Pentacles, Spirit? In reverse. Tower again. See? I told you it came out, I put it back, and it's back again. So there is some kind of a Tower moment coming. What's this Tower, Spirit? Somebody wants to return. Somebody wants to now not hold back any longer. They don't want to hold back any longer. They want to return, and it's going to seem like a Tower moment, a sudden change. They want to shock their partner, I think, into some kind of a return or something. At least they're planning it. One more, Spirit, for the Four of Pentacles and the Tower. Yes, they want to request their partner that, whatever didn't work out in the past, all these troubles and things went a wrong direction, can we steer the boat the other way now, come out of this trouble and, find peace once again. So then, what is this Eight of Swords then, Spirit? Eight of Swords. One more. Eight of Swords. It's going to put the other person now into stress. Libra, if this is a masculine who's bringing in this Tower to go and say that, hey, can we do this again? It's going to put this person into a kind of shock, because they don't trust their partner anymore. They feel their partner is a liar. And as much as they don't want to, be in this place of always having regret and sorrow, I think this person's already planning a brand new beginning for themselves. They don't want to make a mistake here where they will be stuck in a place where they'll regret it for taking a chance again, I think, with the person who they feel is very unemotional, who's very rude sometimes, or a liar. And it's going to put this queen of this single, abundant person who's doing very well on their own now, moving off for a fresh beginning for themselves, into a state of, oh my God, what should I do? So I think this person is passing on the anxiety to their person now. I'm going to take one more. I need something more, Spirit. One or two more, please. What can we expect now? One more. It's going to put somebody into a kind of a tizzy here as to what should I do. They don't want to be, they'll have to make a decision as to what is going to make their wishes and dreams come true. It's going to be a lot of confusion, but to get out of this confusion, it's going to take them some healing. This is going to be disruptive. This tower is going to rock somebody's world here just when this person is single, moving off for a brand new chapter of their life. There may be a return here. Well, we'll see in the next reading. Let's just take one more card for the Temperance, which is, what's this Temperance card, Spirit? Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Yes, somebody wants to bring, somebody is very impatient. So this King of Wands is coming in very impatient to say, hey, let's take action, let's make things right, let's not look past anymore, let's look at the future. Let's look at the future and try and make something work. At least that's on their mind, but time is fluid, let's see. But it's going to bring a tower moment for this feminine, I think. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.